The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison.
Just broke me right here. First,
Okay, yeah, the client is, well, there's somebody by the name of Bob Garza who's on Zoom. All right, so we're just waiting for his client. Richard Murray, where are you? Richard Flores Murray? All right, so he is not here. Hello, your client is not here, sir. You're on mute.
I think he just walked in, Your Honor. He's sitting
All right,
down.
who's your client?
Richard Flores Murray.
Richard Murray?
Murray, Murray. And he's sitting down, I believe, to your left.
Richard Murray. All right. All right. So what is happening with this case, sir?
Well, we're supposed to appear for
I'm
a
sorry, what?
Me or the prosecutor, Judge?
All right. Excuse me. Could I see the file on Richard Murray Flores, please?
The other way around, Judge. Richard Flores Murray.
Okay, thank you.
We're supposed to be here for a status hearing to see if he's completed his evaluation, Judge. He tells me he has, but I have not received any kind of a report.
All right, Mr. Murray, if you can come forward, please.
He's hard. Here he comes.
This way, sir. Hello, Mr. Murray. Hi.
You know, I'm hard of hearing.
Yes,
Thank you,
sure. So did you complete your evaluation?
ma'am.
Did you complete your evaluation?
Yes.
All right, what date did you complete it on?
What date?
Yes.
I don't remember.
All right, was it last month, this month?
It was about 4 or 5 days ago.
Okay. All right, we're gonna reset you. And do you know the name of the doctor who did the evaluation? Do you know the name of the doctor who completed your evaluation?
David, I think. The doctor, the last name was kind of hard to.
Jumis?
I couldn't pronounce the last.
Is
name.
it Jumis?
Yes.
All right, so let me see here. We're gonna recall this for February 26th. I'll give you a reset form. Once you sign it, you will be excused. So counsel to be for February 26th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sign that, please. If you could give that to Mr. Murray. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Right here, Mr. Murray.
Okay, thank you,
here.
Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
No, that's mine.
Right there.
Yes, I'm gonna give you your copy, that way you can't say you didn't know because we signed it. Yes, sir. Yes, he's done right, Judge?
Yes, he's done.
Yes.
Casey Garcia. Excuse me, what's your name? Who is this by Zoom?
This is Casey Garcia.
All right, and who are you here for?
Sadie Sanchez with Zach Sanchez.
All right, so I'm gonna put you in a waiting room, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, and who is this on Samsung, Marina? Who is this person on Samsung?
I don't know.
All right, who are you? Who's dressed inappropriately?
Oh, no, I do need one. It's not. He's out there.
Okay. Mr. Roa, come forward. Good morning. All right, Mr. Roa, here's the thing. You have two choices, and both of them have custody attached to them. You're either doing felony drug court or you're going inpatient. But either way, you're not leaving court today. So which do you choose?
What do you mean, man?
You have a drug problem. You are either going to felony drug court or, yes, you're either going to felony drug court or either you're going to inpatient treatment. So felony drug court is willing to accept you. So you can go to felony drug court or you can wait at the Bexar County Jail and be transferred to SafeP. Which do you prefer? All right, so you're going to be taken into custody. I'm going to let felony drug court know that you're in custody and that you're willing to be in the program. And I will send them an email and they'll probably be able to see you today or at the latest, probably next week, Monday. Do you understand?
Sure.
All right. You can do another referral to felony drug court. And if he is not in felony drug court, then he's going to SafeP. And those are per instructions from felony drug court, which is what they want.
Back out to felony drug court to find out how they want to proceed as far as.
Yes, yes. And what I'll do is I'm sending Judge Glenn an email right now to ask him. Yes.
They don't need.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Don't be talking to him.
Who's speaking to someone?
In the camouflage.
Camouflage, are you on the docket today? I'm sorry, is that yes or no? All right, you're excused. If you want to do visitation with inmates, you need to do it at the jail, not here. Do you understand? So for security reasons, you're being put out of the courtroom.
2022-582.
All right. And Rachel,
Yes.
he's to remain in custody until transferred to felony drug court. For Zachary Sanchez, all right, did he enter a plea? What's going on here?
He did enter.
Okay,
And then this is the one where our expected impact is in the breakout, right?
okay, because the reason why I say that is because there is nothing listed.
Angelini has it right here.
All right, could I see a stamp, please, for a plea? And Mr. DeLeon, did your client enter a plea of no contest?
He did, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm assuming that Judge Angelini found there was sufficient evidence?
Yeah, and hopefully it reflects that this was knocked down to an attempted indecency.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what's in the paperwork.
Yes.
All right, everyone, you need to whisper. If you cannot whisper, then you're gonna have to step outside and confer. And guess what? When you're before the bench, do not whisper. I'm amazed that people will whisper when they're before their bench, and this includes attorneys. But then when you're conferring, everybody is speaking so loudly. So whisper. Thank you. It makes it easier for the court reporter, and it makes it for a great Friday Eve. We're trying to bring joy, right? All right, court is calling 2023 CR 0329, State of Texas versus Zachary Sanchez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Ally Jackson.
defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Sanchez.
And are you Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
And Your Honor, just a reminder that our victim's in the breakout room.
All right. All right, you entered a plea on December 5th, 2023 to the offense of an attempted indecency with a child by contact as a third-degree felony. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Let's go off the record for a moment. All right, Mr. Sanchez, I just needed a couple of things cleared up because the court, well, I'm not the person who took this plea. You understand? You need to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
Sorry, yes, ma'am.
All right. So according to the plea bargain agreement, the state is asking that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. Did anyone want to speak to the length of community supervision, state
Not to the state, we just feel it's appropriate here.
defense?
I would just ask for it to be 4 years deferred, and I know a fine wasn't listed in there. I would just, I'm stepping ahead a step, but he works as a cook at Pluckers. So he doesn't make all that much money. on asking maybe if the fine can be probated or be relatively low.
Okay. And what is the court cost in this case, please? All right, Mr. Sanchez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, so I've just been told by the clerk the court costs in this case. Will you be able to pay that over a period of time in installments? All right, if you can't pay it, just let the court know. You understand? All right, and then I have the MIC evaluation. Have everybody seen the mental health evaluation on this case?
I have, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Any input from either side?
Your
No.
Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Sanchez, it is saying here that you do need to be placed on the mental health caseload. Probation, based upon the nature of the offense, will mental health still accept him on their caseload?
Employees on the Soma unit that will assist him with.
All right. So what I'll do then is I'll say the mental health sex offender unit, there's going to be 4 years deferred adjudication, Chapter 62 compliance, no contact with the complainant in the case. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a health care provider or with minors. There's a request for community service hours, but because of the nature of the offense, there's no community service hours available for you because no one has insurance to do that. You understand? There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
Our sex offender unit will take care of the field test.
Yes.
There's nothing else.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? If there's something else you need, now's the time to let me know.
No, it's. Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Thank you. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand? All right, you all have victim impact?
Yeah, it's,
All right, and is it the Garcia?
yes.
Okay, and I'll stop video. All right, Miss Garcia? No, the video is just not shown. All right, Miss Garcia, if you can unmute, please. All right, Miss Garcia, Mr. Sanchez is here.
Okay,
And you may proceed with your victim impact.
okay. It's going to be my daughter, Sadie.
All right,
Zach, I don't know what to say. I could tell you that you ruined my life and how messed up I am. Or I could tell you I forgive you for what you did. I don't know how to feel. I'm angry. I'm angry because I didn't deserve what you did. You were supposed to be there to protect me. You were my family. Family doesn't do that. I needed you most when I was there. I thought I was safe, but I was wrong. Since that day, I've never been the same. I don't go out or wear shorts like I used to. I can't sleep and still have nightmares because of what you did. I can't stand when people touch me anymore, and I can't even let my 9-year-old brother touch me. You turned me into a person I never wanted to be. You turned me into someone who doesn't go to places, into someone who can't be alone in a crowd, into someone who can't stop shaking and who takes pills to be happy. I wish you could explain to me why you did what you did. You took my family away from me. My aunt doesn't want to look at me anymore, and my cousins don't believe or trust and can talk to me anymore. I kept it a secret for so long because I knew what my family would do. I understand that you are family, and I love you. I would never make something up like this. Why would I make something up like this? I knew as soon as I opened my mouth that my family would be gone and I would never be the same. You took everything from me, and yet I still forgive you. I forgive you for me to move on in life. I love you.
all right. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Judge, may we be excused?
Yes, if he'll just remain and speak with the probation officer. All right, thank you. All right, who's here on Christopher Lemire? Lemire, where are we on this case?
It's gonna go to ISF.
All right, just one moment. Could I have the file stamp, please? Oh, no problem. Thank you. It's not a problem. Mr. Lemire? Is it Lemire or Lemire?
Lemire.
Lemire? We're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2018 CR 858, State of Texas versus Christopher Scott Lemire. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
The state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Gary, the defendant.
And are you Mr. Lemire?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
While you're here in jail for violating your probation.
Okay, yes.
Well, no, here's the thing. This document states that you're on probation. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sure.
All right. Do you know why you're here today?
Yes,
All right. So this document that I'm showing you, did you review that with your attorney?
yes, sure.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sure.
All right. Here's the thing, Mr. Lemire. If it's something that you don't understand, just let me know. So this document that I've shown you, did you review that with your attorney? All right. So if you all to step back and review it. Okay. We'll wait for him to come back. Thank you. Is it going to be a Monday today? Malik Lampkin, where is he?
He's in the hospital. His mom communicated to me last night and again this morning that he's at behavioral hospital. She had sent some documentation before that he was at Methodist. This is the individual that was experiencing some mental health issues that was in and out of the
So
hospital.
do you have proof that he's currently in the hospital?
We're working on getting that, Judge. They said that they're gonna discharge him today, but early into the early evening. And I asked them if they would be okay, if the court was okay with it, if they could come in on Tuesday to present here in person. They said they're still working on getting that behavioral health information, but that the mom wasn't there when he was admitted. They're kind of giving the runaround, giving them the documentation. I could try to get it, Judge, but as you know, it's kind of difficult. They say HIPAA and all that stuff is involved.
All right, he's being recalled for tomorrow.
For tomorrow, Judge, I'm gonna be out of the office tomorrow. Is there any way we could possibly do it Monday or Tuesday? I'm gonna be here Tuesday, that way.
Well, the only problem is, I don't know, I know you're saying he's in the behavioral health clinic or behavioral center, but that's being based upon what other people are telling you.
Yes, Judge. And I know that,
So-
and the mother had provided documentation to me so that he was in the Methodist hospital as soon as January 16th.
Mhm.
So I think that's a good faith basis to believe that he's actually having these issues, Judge, and not trying to run from the court. But the mother has been extremely communicative with me.
No,
so
I need documentation.
documentation.
Mhm.
Yeah, I can try to get it, Judge.
All right, I
This
mean,
morning,
that,
but I
it
can't.
needs to be done today, otherwise he's being recalled for tomorrow.
But if I can't get the documentation and he's still there, but I don't have like something concrete in writing, can I just make that?
Are you gonna drive over and see if he's there? Because here's the thing. I believe that people are officers of the court,
Exactly.
but if you're telling me something that somebody else told you or a client told you and you don't have your own personal knowledge where, hey, I've seen the documentation, he's currently at the hospital, then I'm not going to take it as fact because technically it's not coming from you. It's coming from your client's mom or it's coming from your client. So if I don't have that documentation today, I won't issue a warrant today, but he'll need to come in tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay, I'll do my best to have him present or at least get some documentation. I understand where the court is coming from.
Mhm.
The background of this case is that he has a GPS monitor and the actual work release people that are supervising him have contacted the court asking to be removed because it's in and out of the hospital. So I think that is a good faith basis as well as the mom saying that she's there. But I, of course, I'll try to get the documentation, Judge, and I'll apprise the court accordingly.
All right. So if I don't have documentation today, he needs to be here tomorrow.
All right, yes, Judge. If I have to go visit him and get it, I will.
All right. Thank you.
No, I need to figure out what's going on. I guess he was supposed to.
Are you already on?
No, ma'am.
Okay. On Philip Diller.
He's present.
He needs to come forward.
Okay, I just wanted to inform the court, his wife is positive for COVID. He's
Well, somebody give Mr. Diller a mask.
my other briefcase.
Mr. Dillard's wife is positive for COVID. All right. So where are we on this jury trial? Because I'm assuming this is jury trial, correct?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
you all were sent to Impact and I guess they were doing something else?
Oh, I came down with COVID 2 Wednesdays ago.
Ah,
In that schedule,
Mhm.
unfortunately.
all right. You're coming back on February 20th.
To this court?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You need a reset form.
We do? Okay.
Mhm.
All right. We'll get that. Thank you.
All right. Are the parties ready on Barnes here? Yes. Deputies for the new year, they requested that defense attorneys be on this side for security reasons. I don't know if that means so that you all are protected or if it's for everybody else. So,
Yeah, they need to be protected from me, Jen.
all right, court is calling 2023 CR 11320, 11321, 11322, 2023 CR 4301, and 4302. Now parties announced for the record for the state. Defense,
Meredith Chuck for Mr. Barnes, Your Honor.
and are you Mr. Barnes? Counsel, and each of the cause numbers, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
And each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the scope is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No.
Mr. Barnes, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand them? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented and cause number ending in 11320? That has an enhancement allegation.
11320 proceeding with a repeater that would make that a state jail. The repeater, which is a third degree.
And I explained that to my client. He'll be pleading true to the repeater on that particular charge.
All right, and in cause number 2023 CR 11321, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented in that cause number?
Count 1 with the repeater, waiving the count 2.
Any objection?
That's the second degree, correct?
It makes it a second.
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. He's going to plead true on that repeater.
And cause number ended in 11322, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
So we are proceeding on count 1, 2, and 3. and that keeps that at a first degree count.
And I've gone over that with my client. That is working.
And then in the cause number ended in 4301, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? And then in cause number ended in 4302, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Barnes, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand in the cause number ended in 4302? The offense charge is unauthorized use of vehicle. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. In the cause number ending in 11320, it's an unauthorized use with a repeater. That puts your range of punishment at anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 11321, it's a felony in possession of a weapon with a repeater count. The range of punishment for that offense with the repeat enhancement allegation is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 11322, that is an aggravated assault against a public servant. That's a first degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 4301, that's an evading arrest detention with vehicle. That's a third degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And all of the cause numbers, if you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And all of the cause numbers, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes,
Mr. Barnes, and all of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 4302, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years. All of the cases will be running concurrent. State is taken in consideration 2024 CR 0918, night mag numbers 733-464 and 460. And the cause number ending in 4301, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. All of the cases will run concurrent. The same cause numbers will be taken in consideration as in 4302. And the cause number ending in 11322, state is proceeding on counts 1, 2, and 3. Punishment is to be assessed at 12 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. All of the cause numbers will run concurrent. The same cause numbers will be taken in consideration as in 4302. And the cause number ending in 11321. State is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 12 years in the prison. Cause numbers are running concurrently. The same numbers are being taken in consideration as in 4302. And the cause number ending in 11320. State is requesting your punishment be assessed at 10 years. You agree that you've been previously convicted before of a felony. The cause numbers will all run concurrent. The same cause numbers will be taken in consideration as in 4302. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 11320, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And how do you plead to the enhancements? True or not true?
True.
And cause number ending in 11321, how do you plead to count one? And how do you plead to the enhancement? And cause number ending in 11322, how do you plead to count one? Count two? Count three? And in the cause number ending in 4301, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And in the cause number ending in 4302, how do you plead? State any evidence to support the defendant's guilty pleas?
Your Honor, and I just followed the attachments with my client.
All right. Mr. Barnes, did you review the documents entitled waiving consent to stipulations and testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate
Yes, ma'am.
places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find in each cause number that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Cause number 11320, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancements true based upon your plea of true and paid based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Honor, I believe he's taken responsibility. He's pled guilty to everything. And so I would hope that the court would follow the plea bargain and allow us to move these cases to.
All right, then in the cause number ending in 11320, the court is finding you guilty. Enhancements true. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11321, 2023 CR 4301, 2023 CR 11322, and 2023 CR 4302. Taking consideration NIMAG numbers 733464, 733460, and 2024 CR 0918. Is there anything with regards to sentencing in that cause? Anything else? And that cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Next, we'll proceed to cause number ending in 11321. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Jason, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to ask your client?
No, Your Honor, I've already said it.
All right, and that cause number, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. Court is finding that enhancement true. Court will sentence you to 12 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11322, 4301, 11320, 4302. Taking consideration NIMAG number 733464, 733460, 2024 CR 0918. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we'll proceed in the cause number ending in 11322. Thank you all for the highlights. Makes it so much easier to read. All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of count 1, count 2, and count 3. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No.
Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 12 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with the following cause numbers: 2023 CR 11321, 4301, 11320, 4302. Take in consideration NIMAG number 733464, 733460, and 2024 CR 0918. Anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we're going to proceed with cause number 4301. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No.
Will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11321, 11322, 11320, 4302. Take in consideration NIMAG numbers 733464, 460, and 2024 CR 0918. Got it. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, you're going to proceed in the cause number ending in 4302. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11321, 4301, 11320, 11322, NIMAG number 733464, 460, and 2024 CR 0918. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Oh, I already gave it. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, and because all the cases are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
41, ma'am.
All right, at this point in time, really, there is nothing I can say to you, right?
No, this broke me right here.
All
This is
right.
my first aggravated time, and I was hoping to get something lesser, but I mean, I'm gonna cop up to what I am. I'm a man before anything, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not like, really, like,
So here's,
this really broke me, you know what I mean? Like, right at night time, and I'm a mom, my brother's sick, you know what I mean? So it's not, I'm too smart. I build houses, I build restaurants.
so you're gonna have to do better, because
So
otherwise,
I have no reason.
all right,
I shouldn't be in this trouble, you know what I mean?
Yeah. because here's the thing, at the end of the day, if you don't change your ways, you're gonna end up being in the prison for the rest of your life. You're gonna look up.
I look around me when I'm in jail, and I see 60-year-olds, 65-year-olds, like, man, I don't wanna be like that. I'm too
Well,
smart.
here's the thing, don't be that person then.
I'm not. Once I'm,
Did you ever watch, what is it called? The Shawshank Redemption?
yeah.
Did you see, there's a scene in there where this old guy has been in prison for so long, he doesn't want to go on parole.
Yeah.
They sit him on parole and he ends up killing himself.
Because that's his life, that's what he knows.
Don't be that person.
I'm
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Jen.
Thank you.